Staying with our weather theme, a winter storm is expected to slam parts of the Midwest this weekend, with some areas experiencing up to a foot of snow. This as millions of Americans are set to travel back home after the Thanksgiving holiday. Fox Weather's storm specialist, Mike Seidel, the best in the business, here with the very latest. It looks like it's, well, beginning to look a lot like Christmas, as the old song goes. Mike, how you doing?
Doing great, Kevin. Good to be with you this afternoon from Des Moines, Iowa. The capital is about a half a mile down the street, but we can't see it because we've got moderate to heavy snow. It's been coming down since late yesterday, but really dumping on us over the past several hours now with about 6 to 7 inches on the ground. This is a big deal in November in Des Moines. If we get 10 inches of snow, Kevin, it'll be the first time they've seen a double-digit snowfall in November since 1968. So we'll see what happens by midnight tonight. The roads snow-packed and snow-covered, as you can imagine. The interstates have slushed up a little bit because they've put some treatment down, some salt and other materials. But remember, tonight it's going to get cold. Temperatures here down around 15 degrees, about the coldest it's been so far this winter. So watch out tomorrow morning. Everything is going to ice up. Big travel headaches, not only on I-80, I-90 going towards Chicago and I-35 towards Minneapolis, but O'Hare Airport, what a mess. Stick a fork in that airport. They've had over 650 cancellations today. That's 1/4 of their entire flight schedule, plus the delays. They've got a ground delay program through late tonight. Some of those delays could be 3-4+ hours, and they're de-icing. They're snowing right now moderately. Visibility at the field is a half a mile and 27 degrees. So they're going to be catching up tomorrow at O'Hare and Midway. The good news about this storm is it heads up into Canada, Kevin, and everything that falls from the Appalachians to the big cities, Boston, New York, in Washington, it's all going to be rain and not snow this time around. We'll keep an eye on Tuesday's storm. That could be a different story. But right now, the travel Sunday on the East Coast will be wet and not white and icy. But back here, boy, what a beautiful Saturday. And it is falling on a Saturday, so you get fewer complaints, except the kids don't get out of school. Kevin, back to you.
Great stuff as always. Mike Seidel in Des Moines, Iowa, one of my favorite towns in America. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that.